The wildlife unit got
He
a
is much
call
better
about
than
a
he
gull
was. Okay.
fledgling who had fallen down a chimney.
It's okay, little guy.
We had responded a week previously and returned the gull to the nest. Unfortunately, the gull fell down the chimney again.
Mind your little wings, my friend. That's okay. You're gonna be okay, little guy. Oh, well then I'll do this quickly. Yeah, well he won't be going down the chimneys at least.
After installing some chimney guards, we returned the gull for a second time.
Super. The last time the gull parents were going bananas, and that was probably because there was other gull chicks in the nest. This time they're rather quiet. Okay, now you stay right there. Okay, I have to go. Okay, there he is. It's up to him now to stay where he is.
The gull was in perfect health, and later we saw it reunited with the family. A very happy ending.
There's the mammy bird back.
If you liked this video and the work we do, please subscribe. All the links are in the description. And remember, your donations save Irish wildlife, so please donate where you can. Thanks very much.